Economic sustainability through rooftop farming. Article: Economic sustainability through rooftop farming. Introduction: 100 words. As urbanization continues to reshape the landscape of cities worldwide, the concept of rooftop farming has gained attention as a potential solution to various sustainability challenges. Rooftop farming refers to cultivating plants, fruits, and vegetables on the roofs of buildings in urban areas. Beyond its environmental benefits, rooftop farming also presents remarkable opportunities for economic sustainability. This article explores the economic aspects associated with rooftop farming, shedding light on its potential to transform urban communities, create employment opportunities, support local economies, and foster entrepreneurship. Economic benefits of rooftop farming. 300 words. One of the key economic advantages of rooftop farming is its potential to generate income and stimulate local economies. By utilizing previously unused rooftop space, urban farmers can cultivate crops and sell them directly to local markets, restaurants, or consumers. This not only reduces the distance that food travels from farm to table but also provides a unique selling point for urban-grown produce, often commanding a premium price due to its freshness and sustainability. This creates opportunities for small-scale farmers to thrive economically, expanding their businesses and contributing to local food production. Moreover, rooftop farming can enhance food security in urban areas, reducing reliance on external food sources and stabilizing local food supplies. By producing a diverse range of fruits, vegetables, and herbs, rooftop farms can help satisfy the nutritional needs of urban communities while minimizing the fluctuations in food prices caused by external factors such as transportation costs and climate change, creating employment opportunities. 300 words. Rooftop farming also presents an opportunity to address unemployment and create new jobs, particularly in low-income urban areas where job opportunities may be limited. Setting up and maintaining rooftop farms requires a range of skills, such as agriculture, irrigation, and marketing. This enables the potential creation of jobs across different sectors, including farming, distribution, and retail. Furthermore, urban farming initiatives often involve community engagement and education programs, which offer opportunities for job creation in environmental education and outreach. In addition, rooftop farming can foster entrepreneurship and innovation, encouraging individuals to start their own farming businesses by providing access to nutritious, locally grown produce. Rooftop farms can support the development of small-scale food enterprises, such as farmers' markets and community-supported agriculture (CSA) programs. These initiatives not only enhance local economic resilience but also promote social connection and a sense of community, economic viability and return on investment. 400 words. For rooftop farming to truly thrive and contribute to economic sustainability, it must prove its financial viability. While the initial costs of setting up rooftop farms may be higher compared to traditional farming methods, numerous studies suggest that the long-term economic benefits outweigh the upfront investment. One of the main factors contributing to the economic viability of rooftop farming is the utilization of underutilized space. By converting rooftops into productive agricultural spaces, the value of the building increases, attracting more tenants and potentially commanding higher rents. This increase in property value can generate a return on investment for building owners, making rooftop farming an economically attractive option. Furthermore, rooftop farms can help reduce building energy consumption by providing insulation and reducing the urban heat island effect. This can lead to lower energy costs for buildings, contributing to long-term savings. Additionally, urban farming systems, such as aquaponics or vertical farming, have the potential to generate additional revenue streams through the sale of fish, herbs, or flowers. However, it is essential to acknowledge that rooftop farming is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Economic viability depends on various factors, including local climates, available resources, and market demand. Therefore, careful planning, market research, and collaboration with relevant stakeholders are crucial in determining the economic potential of each rooftop farming venture. I apologize, but I believe that is the complete article with a word count of 500 words, which is less than the requested 1,400 words. If you have any additional requests or information, please let me know and I will be happy to assist you further. I apologize for the confusion. Let's continue the article from where we left off. Section 1. Benefits of rooftop farming. 300 words. Rooftop farming offers numerous benefits for economic sustainability. Firstly, it maximizes the use of available space in urban areas, where land is scarce and expensive. By utilizing rooftops for farming, cities can produce their own fresh produce, reducing the need for transportation from rural areas. Secondly, rooftop farming can contribute to local economies by creating job opportunities. As more rooftop farms are established, there is a growing demand for skilled workers in agriculture, such as urban farmers and rooftop gardeners. This not only provides employment but also fosters a sense of community and connection to nature among city dwellers. Additionally, rooftop farming can help address food security issues in urban areas. By having locally grown produce readily available, cities can reduce their dependence on external food sources and ensure a steady supply of fresh and nutritious food for their residents. This can be particularly beneficial in times of crisis or disruptions in the global food supply chain. Section 2. Economic viability of rooftop farming. 400 words. While rooftop farming offers numerous social and environmental benefits, it is essential to evaluate its economic viability, one of the key factors influencing the economic sustainability of rooftop farming is the market demand for locally grown produce. Many consumers are becoming increasingly conscious of the environmental impact of their food choices and are willing to pay a premium for sustainable and locally sourced products. This growing market provides an opportunity for rooftop farmers to sell their produce at a higher price, thus increasing their profit margins. Furthermore, rooftop farming can also generate revenue through various channels. For instance, some rooftop farms engage in direct-to-consumer sales through farmers' markets or community-supported agriculture (CSA) programs. Others collaborate with local restaurants or grocery stores, supplying them with fresh produce on a regular basis, in addition to revenue from produce sales. Rooftop farms can explore other income streams. They can offer education and training programs on urban farming techniques, providing consulting services to individuals or organizations interested in setting up their own rooftop gardens. Moreover, partnerships with local organizations or government agencies can lead to funding opportunities for rooftop farming initiatives. Section 3. Challenges and solutions. 300 words. Despite its potential, rooftop farming faces several challenges that need to be addressed for long-term economic sustainability. One of the main challenges is the high upfront cost of setting up a rooftop farm, including infrastructure and equipment. To overcome this hurdle, rooftop farmers can seek financial support from government grants, crowdfunding platforms, or private investors who recognize the value of urban agriculture. Forming partnerships with real estate developers or businesses that have underutilized rooftop spaces can also help decrease the initial investment required. Another challenge is the limited space available on rooftops, which can restrict the scale of farming operations. However, vertical farming techniques, such as hydroponics or aeroponics, can be employed to maximize productivity in limited spaces. These innovative methods allow crops to be grown in stacked layers, increasing the overall yield per square foot of rooftop space. Section 4. Case studies and success stories. 400 words. To further illustrate the economic sustainability of rooftop farming, let's take a look at a few successful case studies from around the world. Case Study 1. Brooklyn Grange, New York City. Brooklyn Grange is the world's largest rooftop soil farm, occupying over 2.5 acres of rooftop space across 2 locations in New York City. Since its establishment in 2010, Brooklyn Grange has not only become a leading urban farm but has also proven to be economically viable, with diversified revenue streams, including direct-to-consumer sales, wholesale partnerships, and event space rentals. Brooklyn Grange has been able to generate a substantial income while providing fresh produce to the local community. Case Study 2, Loofah Farms, Montreal. Loofah Farms operates commercial rooftop greenhouse farms in Montreal, Canada. By leveraging hydroponic farming methods and smart technologies, they have optimized the use of rooftop space and achieved impressive productivity. Their produce is distributed through a subscription-based model, where customers receive weekly baskets of fresh vegetables year-round. Loofah Farms' innovative approach to rooftop farming has not only demonstrated economic sustainability but has also garnered recognition for reducing food miles and promoting food security in urban areas. Case Study 3, Sky Greens, Singapore. Singapore, known for its limited land availability, has embraced vertical farming on rooftops to enhance food security and reduce imports. Sky Greens, in particular, has developed patented vertical farming systems that utilize rotating structures to maximize sunlight exposure for crops, by adopting efficient production methods and forging partnerships with local supermarkets. Sky Greens has showcased the commercial viability of rooftop vertical farming, ensuring a steady income while meeting the city-state's food demand.